combining that information with that. So let's see if there was else actually. Yeah, as I was still saying, the market wants to create a change in trend, not just on silver but on almost all the GBP, USDs, and Nasdaqs. I feel like the market wants to create a change in trend, but trust me, around Thursday it's gonna start continuing to the upside. It's gonna start continuing to the upside. Yeah, let's double check what more reasons must we have. Yeah, because one thing about me, I really enjoy seeing I'm a matching algorithm on the 230. Even if I'm not trading it, I really love seeing it. Like matching algos on 230 and 830, I really enjoy seeing it. Like the first thing I want to check before I take a trade is that, do we have it? If I have to take a trade on a setup that doesn't have 230 and 830 matching algorithm, it has to be that it has other additional information that I've seen before or know of. But I really enjoy taking trades where I've seen those two correlate. So USD and Nasdaq, pretty much, okay, I love seeing this. It was Tuesday. We had a very beautiful continuation pattern for EUSD, and it's bullish. And remember the rules, it goes on Tuesdays, you don't buy, which I think you guys have an idea, because yeah, the market did push up there at 3:30 and it started dropping at 16:15 till now, which is also okay, because I think you would have been able to take that trade, because I do see you go to at 9:30 and 3:30. I think we had a matching by algorithm. Let me just double check first. Yeah, we do have. So the market did respect that algorithm and did give us a buy. But there's one thing I need you guys to see here. Is it bought, but the question is, how long were you going to hold that trade? Yeah, you'd have gotten like 267 pips, but trust me, it was going to come back to your SL. Because one thing about me, I hope my trades is 6 and then 6 monitor to 12. I mean to 9. It's 6 and 9. I remember when I traded NFP on the 3rd of July, I was like, I'm closing my trades at 6. Do you understand? So with that being said, let me just let me just further explain this. Yeah, that's the only thing I could probably say about that. If it was like another day or Thursday or Friday, we're gonna hold that trade to 6. It was gonna give us a respect. So let me give you guys a guide on how to backtest this. Okay, we're out of time. I didn't even see. To backtest this, just master the days, the type of algorithms you're picking, and don't forget to do your homework. Are there any questions? Oh, guys, being a mentor can be depressing sometimes. Sometimes you have to beg for them to talk to you. Like, you're the one who's going to be trading. I didn't even say I didn't put a filter. Ebo, I don't like coming live without a filter. Now you guys are going to know how I look like in person. I have something here. So guys, I just had a class right now. You know, I'm debating with myself. I'm thinking, what's December? I must stop. No, I didn't even check it. I'm thinking, go to like December. I want to close my academy. I don't know though. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of admin. I don't know if you guys get it. It's a lot of admin, working with people. I'm trying my best to be able to establish. You know, the only reason why I haven't like shut down my academy is that I don't want to be like those, you know, young entrepreneurs who always start things and don't finish. I want to just finish one thing for the first time in my life. Run this academy for 20 years, 30 years. So I need to go to Joburg and get regulated. Get an FSP, and yeah. Then you guys can see I got something. This is me without a filter, guys. I look weird, you know. And it's just thing as annoying as my neighbors. Like, when I'm at the balcony, like, yeah, I can hear everything that they're doing. Like, that's why I want to fuck out of this place so badly. To fly down all the way from America, Miami, Berlin, Sweden, just to come and pull up in my class. You feel me? Yay. 2 classes only today. Tomorrow I have other classes. On Thursday I have other classes. Me, I only rest on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Guys, that you don't have the questions. I just wanted to break down. There's something I told you guys last week about the continuation pattern / matching algorithms. So yesterday when I saw the setup, I was smiling. That's why I said to you all, please monitor GBP CAD, because you know I don't give you guys I don't give anybody like signals. Like, I don't have time for that. But pretty much, okay, cooler. Are there any questions? Let me give you guys a minute to type. Or I think it's gonna be quicker if you just unmute and talk to me. Yeah, you must check it on your side. Me, I don't know, because I'm always a host. I'm always a... Okay. I'm sure there was a 3:30 to 9:30 matching by there, or there wasn't. If she was the other way around. Okay, this balcony is cold today. Just talk to me, guys. How is the journey treating her with the strategy? No, it's fine. I finally sorted out a couple of things. I'll be able to record. So, guys, do you still remember this trade, ne? Let me remove drawings. Remember me when... Maybe I didn't teach it because I was having computer issues, because my computer was acting up. Please talk to me. Did I explain this trade about NASDAQ last week, Monday? If the quicker the better, guys. I don't have all day. Okay, thank you so much, Ruth. We had see the setup you see here. Then we had a 2:30 buy and an 8:30 buy. If you look closely, every Monday you are gonna see a setup like this, unless the holiday or Vele market Yaskapa. But I always get like 2-3 setups like this every month. These are like my bread and butter. So we basically had a continuation pattern. With a continuation pattern, 2:30 buy, 8:30 buy, with other matching buying algorithms, the market bought at 2, which gave us a okay, it didn't buy, but it gave us that, weird candle, but overall that's a buy, and the market pushed up higher till 9 p.m. So then the same thing happened with GBP CAD, guys. That's why I literally said, please look at GBP CAD, because I want you guys to monitor the same movement that happened last week. One thing about me, you'll know, I don't like spoon feeding anybody. You must always be willing to see things the way I want you to see them. So then this Monday on GBP CAD, which means I hardly even check. But when I'm looking for a setup for Mondays, guys, I make sure I dig hard. Except for gold. You'll never see me playing near gold. So we have a continuation pattern also, and we had a 2:30 buy, 8:30 buy. But one thing about this setup, there are many matching buy algorithms. With a 3 and a 9. With a 3:15 and a 9:15, with 5 something, yeah, with a 4:30, yes, 4:30 and 10:30, with a 4:15 and a 10:15. Then we had what, a 5:30 and 11. There were so many matching buy algorithms. So in my mind, I already knew we had a bullish bias. Mind you, we had a bullish structure and a bullish continuation pattern. There was so many like additional information. Hold on, wait. Was there a bullish structure? Y'all not even correcting me. No. Actually, the market had just changed the trend. The market was on a downtrend, and then it started changing trend by doing that weird shape. I don't know what it's called. Mathematically, it's a parallelogram. We call that a parallelogram. But I don't know what to call it the Forex way. So whatever. So the market was on a bullish trend. yeah, from a downtrend to a bullish trend. But I don't want to be too invested on the structure and stuff. The main focus here was there were so many matching buy algorithms and a bullish continuation pattern, which is the reason why the market bought the way it did. So when I wrote on the mentorship group that please monitor GBP CAD, I was literally telling you guys to buy GBP CAD indirectly, which I thought you guys were going to see that because it's literally a copy and paste of what happened last week. Then I want us to look at US 30 today. I want us to look at US 30, how it moved today. Remember what I told you about the days, go to specific days, we look at specific directional buys. Can one of you please comment on the chats what directional buys we're looking for today since it's a Tuesday? I did scalp a sell on silver. I'm expecting 6 responses. I'll take it if the other ones are sleeping since they're not responding. Okay, I'm seeing responses. Did give us a push to the upside, right? But as it was giving us a push to the upside, it came back, rejected, and gave you what? A blow. Do you understand? That's why I started to invent which directional bias to look at each given day, because I had an issue of break-even trades. I win, take it back, win, take it back, win, take it back. So if this trade would have happened on Monday, you would have been buying even now. We would have maybe been like raging right now because it's like a Tuesday. So nonetheless, the trade was right because there was a bullish continuation pattern. There was matching by algorithms. So then when that happened, the market gave us what? A bullish bias. But that's why I would like you guys to really be invested into knowing the kind of bias to look for. Do you understand? Am I being understood? Okay, let's go to these PowerPoints. I want us to go to these PowerPoints slides. Where is that noise coming from? Guys, can you hear noise? So I can call my neighbors to lower it. Because I think I can hear noise. You are annoyed, you. Okay, guys. Nonetheless, okay, just give me a second to call my neighbors, né?